Hello and welcome to Jeff's Tech 702. My name is Jeff and I will be your host. I just wanted to tell you about my new channel here. Basically, I'll be doing a lot of tech reviews, talking about new types of technology, going over classic computers and such, talking about different Apple products, Windows products, Microsoft, all that good stuff. Um, and just add a little entertainment into it. It's always good to have some entertainment in these things. Um, but I just wanted to create a channel. Just wanted to start talking about the things I like, and technology is one of the things I love the most. And I have a few things that I'd like to eventually show everyone down the road and talk about. But for our first video today, let's talk about some new products and new, not necessarily products, but other things that are going on in the technology world out there. Um, One big thing I'm really excited for, to be completely honest, is the new Apple Watch coming out. It's supposedly coming out in March. Supposedly coming out in March with also the release of iOS 8.2 with WatchKit enabled, which should be really cool. Um, that's of course for iPhone 5 and up. 4S users will not get that. Unfortunately, like myself, I'm a 4S user still, so hopefully I'll get a new iPhone here down the path. But so iOS 8.2 is apparently not going to be a big. Oh, my hat feels so weird. It's not necessarily a big bug fix, but it's more or less. Um, it just enables the WatchKit features for the iPhone, and I think it's a great thing. I think the compatibility between the iPhone and the Apple Watch is a great idea. Some people are opposed to it, but in order to get the full connectivity and full features that you want out of a smartwatch, you need that kind of connectivity with a data network or some sort of network where you're always roaming and you can always have it on your wrist. You can always just be able to quickly look, not have to worry about connecting to a Wi-Fi network or anything like that. Supposedly iOS 8.1.3 is coming out in the next few weeks, but that's sketchy because everyone's saying different stuff online. Is you really can't. You don't know who to listen to. It's one of those things. Um, let's see what else. I'm not gonna lie. I'm Apple biased. I always grew up being a Windows person, and I got a lot of Apple stuff. But don't get me wrong. I love Microsoft products. My cousin works for Microsoft, so I kind of have to have a little bit of a Microsoft connection. Um, but one thing I really think about, I like about the Apple Watch is the new conductive charging feature. It's just no connectors or anything, just snaps right onto the back of it. I think that's really great. Um, Another thing I want to talk about is possibly the new 12-inch MacBook Air with Retina display. So basically, what that's all about is it's a lot thinner. So about the MacBook Air is about that thin right now. I know it's kind of hard to take out my fingers. It's supposed to be like that thin now. It's supposed to be similar design, but rumor-wise, it's supposed to be similar design, yet a lot thinner, and it's doing away with the current USB ports, and there's a new type of USB coming out. I believe it's called USB-C. I'm not positive, but it's a smaller USB, about half the size, and I think it's a good idea for a computer that thin. But my biggest issue with it is there's not really how many USB-C devices how many products do you see that use USB-C? You don't, and that's a problem I'm seeing. And I think it's too soon. I don't think it's gonna catch on right away. Yeah, it's Apple, and a lot of people buy their products. A lot of people are the Apple, bandwagoners and everything. Call them what you want, but just because it's got the Apple branding, they're gonna buy it. Um, while that may work, it's not necessarily proven to be true. Now, in 1998, when Apple released the iMac G3, it was the first computer to be an all USB computer. And people were weary to it first. They were like, "Oh, this isn't going to work. This isn't going to take off. It's not going to happen." Well, look now, everything uses USB today. Everything uses USB today. And I mean, Apple did kick off the USB revolution. I personally believe that's how it is. But I think I do like what I do like about it is the thinner design, the new Retina display. I'd love to see a Retina display on the new MacBook Air. I think 12 inches is a good size. Apple used to do it back in the day with the iBooks and the PowerBooks, and it worked out well for them then. I do hope they do make a 13-inch because I'm personally biased to 30-inch. I like a bigger display on a thin device. That's just the way I am. Even with iPhones, if I were to get a 6, it's going to be the 6 Plus. It's not going to be the 6. Also because of the incredible battery life it has for a smartphone. I'm not going to lie. The 6 Plus has got a great battery life. My boy I work with, he has a 6 Plus. We leave for work at 6 in the morning. He uses his phone all day. We leave for work. We leave from work at 6 in the evening. His phone's still at 64%, and he was using his phone all day at work because where I work, people don't give a shit. Excuse my language, but I bet a lot of people don't care. Give me just 1 second. I had to grab my water, but I feel that's something good. Let's talk about Windows 10 for a second. So Windows 10 is the new operating system coming out for Microsoft, PCs and such. I like it. I personally do like it, and it makes me want to buy a Windows computer again down the road. I love the UI. I personally love the way the design of the user interface in Windows 8 is. I do not like the Metro Start screen. So I like how they're keeping the same um, the look and feel in the new Windows 10, yet they're getting rid of that Metro crap, whatever it is, the Metro start menu. They're going back to the old start menu. What I do like, for some reason, I personally do not like the Metro interface, but they're giving that dual option of you can either run it with the classic start window, which it brings up that start menu, and then it has a few of those windowed icons. I can't remember what they call them, but and then it lets you do the Metro display, which I think is a great idea. So I would love to see something like that. I know this video is getting kind of long for an intro video. So I just want to say thanks for taking a look at it. I'm going to have plenty more videos down the road. And probably my next video is going to be a review on one of my classic computers. It's not too classic, but I'll give you a hint. You can see it in this video right now. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching, and you have a great rest of your day, evening, night, morning, whenever you're watching it. Y'all take it easy.